Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside the Notes app, so open it now and sign into iCloud to keep things synced. Create or pick a folder so new notes don't scatter. This makes retrieval faster. Once done, hit the New Note button or press CMD+N to begin. You'll immediately see a blank canvas. Make sure to name the note at top for quick identification and set any account iCloud on my Mac to control where it's stored. Now capture content, type, paste, or drag files and images directly into the note to preserve context. Use the formatting toolbar to add headings, bold text, bullet lists, or checklists. These structure your information and speed scanning. If you need a scan or sketch, use the camera or markup menu. Scan PDFs attach inline. Once formatted, use tags with a hash to enable quick searching later, and make sure to select the correct folder or account for this note. Finish by organizing and sharing. Drag notes into folders, add tags for smart filtering, and pin important notes to the top so they're always visible. To collaborate, click the Share button, choose Collaborate, and set view or edit permissions. Recipients will see updates in real time. If syncing fails, check iCloud storage, Wi-Fi, and system settings right arrow Apple ID right arrow iCloud permissions for notes. Sign out and back in only if necessary. Restart notes after changes to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.